Welcome to Fulton at Work. I'm your host, Priscilla Ortega. On this show, we showcase some Fulton County departments, individuals, and programs that impact the community. On this episode, we'll show you the Tax Commissioner's new tool that gives you a quick and easy way to pay your taxes. Plus, health leaders reach out to daycares for the Let's Move campaign. But we begin with the Workforce Development Office, who is taking the lead to reduce unemployment in the county.
1 hour from the time that you start to get
From personal training, outreach events, and on-site recruitments, the Workforce Development Office is getting unemployed residents back on the job.
The focus is getting the customers well-trained, retrained back into the workforce for companies that are coming or already here in Georgia that are looking for skilled workers.
Workforce Development has built strong relationships with major companies including Comcast, MARTA, and Walmart. So when those companies need to increase their staff, they set up shop at a Workforce Development Center and often hire people on the spot.
A lot of times customers may not be able to get on the inside to talk to certain companies like MARTA or Comcast, so we're able to go out and talk to those companies and encourage them to actually come and see what we do at our home base, which are the offices, and bring the customers to them.
Qualified residents can also get thousands of dollars for training. The office works with the Workforce Investment Act Board to make sure that training is always evolving.
We want to make sure that the customers get the training, they get they get the jobs that they need to meet their criteria, and even prepare them for those jobs that may be for the 21st century.
You can get more information on the training, resume preparation, and mock interview help at any of the workforce development sites. For more information, call 770-306-5202. Well, Superior Court's annual job fair is another way to get unemployed and underemployed residents back on the job. The second annual job fair at the Government Center downtown started with general interview tips before they talked to the companies looking to hire. Many of those who attended the job fair heard about it from the Accountability Court of Fulton County.
Our program is to re-enter people back into the community as productive citizens, and part of that obviously is the employment piece. We want them to be gainfully employed, paying taxes, and engaged in being a good citizen.
Speakers at the job fair said having a criminal conviction can be an obstacle, but it's something job seekers can overcome. Fulton County residents can now pay their taxes with a credit card. The new convenient method is also safe. Fulton County Tax Commissioner Arthur Ferdinand started accepting credit card payments at the Government Center downtown on September 15th. Within the first hour, more than 50 citizens paid their taxes by credit card.
It makes everything quicker, easier, and more convenient, really. For someone like me, I have a busy schedule, so in the past I had to look for an ATM machine to get the cash. Obviously, it makes everything easier.
The tax commissioner collects and distributes more than $1 billion in tax revenues each year through real and property taxes, motor vehicle taxes, mobile home taxes, and business taxes. The change is a win-win for taxpayers.
It means you are less likely to have your taxes become delinquent or late. Some people who use credit cards also get points, which are used for vacation and travel, etc., which is a benefit to a lot of people. You use all your credit card to pay all debts, and that way you get points. And then I said, thirdly, you have a record.
Like with many credit card purchases, there is a fee.
The fee for paying by credit card is 2.35% of the bill, to a minimum of $1. So if your tax bill is $100, the fee would be $2.35. And people gladly pay that for the convenience of paying by credit card.
A small price to pay for some taxpayers.
It makes the process a little more, convenient for them. They can just swipe their card.
Service was great. I was in and out in less than 5 minutes.
About a month ago, the tax office started accepting e-checks for taxes and car tags. So far, about 55% of taxpayers are using that service.
The benefits of e-checks are vast. First of all, the county government gets its money immediately. We have no bounce checks.
The new system has done very well. It's something not only customers enjoy, but the tax office employees as well. And there could be more high-tech options in store for the tax office. The tax commissioner is also looking into other options, like paying your taxes by smartphone. Well, when we return, who says preventing obesity and being healthy can't be fun? Up next, the outreach event health leaders had for the Let's Move campaign. Stay with us. Obesity prevention needs to start at an early age, so county health leaders are training daycare workers to incorporate healthy habits into their programs. FGTV's Lynn Vaughn begins our Healthline coverage with this story.
Dancing helped kick off training for the Let's Move initiative.
This is important because I think we need to tackle this issue at an early age. And since I care for children between the ages of infants to 4 years old, I think this is a critical age to help them and to help the parents learn what to do.
First Lady Michelle Obama's initiative to raise a healthier generation of kids is comprised of 5 goals. Goal 1 is aimed at elected officials helping child care providers to incorporate nutrition education and physical activities into their programs. So the county hosted an information session at the Oak Hill Child, Adolescent, and Family Center.
We've invited early childhood educators in because we know that this is a critical and formative year where we're giving them tools to be able to help to assist the children that are in their care with developing healthy habits with physical activity and healthy eating.
The county health department reports in Georgia, 1 in 6 children ages 2 to 5 is overweight and 1 in 7 is obese. But WIC nutrition coordinators are working to change that.
One of the most important things is that we're giving them information that will help them to develop an action plan so that when they go back, they'll even be able to set up things, set up policies, even in their own centers, to be able to improve the health and the welfare of their charges.
Whether it's dancing or playing outside, the goal is to have a plan that will move children towards a healthier lifestyle. Reporting for FGTV, I'm Lynn Vaughn.
Georgia's First Lady joined county leaders to help fight Fulton's #1 killer, heart disease. The Healthy Heart Coalition of Fulton County and Sandra Deal gathered at the historic Westside Gardens. The gardens train people on how to grow their own produce. The coalition says the event connected state and local stakeholders so they can combat heart disease together.
It's the leading cause of death for men and women, for the county, for the state, and for the nation. So it touches all of our lives in one way or another, and we need to be prepared with the strategies and with the different types of prevention.
There are several risk factors to heart disease. Again, smoking, unhealthy eating, no physical activity, increased blood, which can lead to increased blood pressure, increased cholesterol, and all that. So
the coalition of Fulton County says heart disease kills someone in the U.S. every 40 seconds. For more information, go to healthyheartcoalition.org. Well, car seat and booster seats save lives and prevent injuries. That's the message Safe Kids Fulton County spread during National Child Passenger Safety Week. Safe Kids held workshops and road safety checkup events throughout the week to remind parents of the car seat requirements.
Rear facing is suggested till at least age 2. Booster seat up until age 8. And if it's not installed how it was designed to be installed, there's no guarantee that your child will be safe in the event of a car crash.
According to the CDC, car seat use reduces the risk of death for infant to 1-year-olds by up to 71%. But a CDC study showed more than 618,000 children rode without a car or booster seat at least one time during the year. Well, when we return, there's new services at Superior Court. We'll tell you about their free program that will help out needy families. Stay with us. Welcome back to Fulton at Work. I'm Priscilla Ortega. Superior Court is expanding its legal services. The court is joining forces with the Georgia Hispanic Bar Association and the John Marshall Law School to provide free legal services to low-income families. It's all part of the new Family Law Clinic.
Individuals who may have domestic matters are going to be eligible to use these services. We have a great partnership with John Marshall Law School, where we are able to take externs, which are third-year law students, and they're going to be assisting individuals who need assistance with completing pleadings, filings, paperwork that is necessary for the court in order to hear their cases.
The clinic will help address the legal needs of the community while also providing invaluable legal experience to Atlanta's John Marshall Law School students. The legal clinic is open every Tuesday and Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Family Law Information Center at 185 Central Avenue. Emergencies can happen anytime and anywhere, and the likelihood of you surviving one depends on how prepared you are. Well, seniors at the Bowden Multipurpose Facility learn how to do just that. Representatives from the Atlanta Fulton County Emergency Management Agency showed seniors how to prepare for an unexpected occurrence.
Right. Have a plan to evacuate, have a plan to stay in your home for at least 3 days without any assistance and without electricity or your natural supplies, water, running water, electricity, things like that.
In addition to having an evacuation plan, emergency officials say seniors should also store important papers in a safe place to take with them during an evacuation. For more information, contact the Atlanta Fulton County Emergency Management Agency. Well, that does it for this edition of Fulton at Work. We'll see you next time.